Hello guys, I'm Sniper31 and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the black screen problem in OBS. All what you have to do is to go in Start menu, Settings, System, scroll down, Graphic Settings, and you have to choose the classic app instead of the universal one. You have to browse and then you have to go where you install the OBS. In my case, is it in Storage D, Programs, OBS Studio, Bin, 64-bit. You just choose the OBS, add it, options, you put a power saving and then save. That's it. You just have to restart the OBS after all the steps and then close it, open it. We're gonna create a new source. It's gonna be display capture and then boom. It's easy as that. If my video helped you to fix the issue, don't forget to leave a like and then subscribe. Thank you. Bye.